They are thin and they're yummy. Florentiner are a total must for Christmas. You'll need to melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a big-ish pan and add 125 grams of heavy cream to that. Then 50 grams sugar together with 50 grams honey. You need to boil this together until it gets a quite nice caramel-like color. When you achieve that, add your 200 grams sliced almonds in as well and continue cooking this for a few minutes. The almonds will get roasted a bit, and that is always super yummy. After doing this for about 3 minutes, you can add 2 tablespoons of flour into the pot. Now the mass should start to stick together even more. Continue cooking and stirring until it becomes one big clump of dough. Get a baking tray with some parchment paper and get the whole dough onto that. Now it is essential to press this as thin as possible. If it gets too thin, it won't hold together, and if it's too thick, it will be too doughy on the inside. It took me a few tries to get the right thickness, but either way, it tastes great. Put this in the oven at a temperature you're comfortable with. I had mine at about 180 degrees Celsius. For our American friends, that would be 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake it until the top gets all golden brown. Keep an eye on that. As soon as it is out of the oven, get this onto a cutting board and cut it into the desired shape while it is still hot. Let them cool off on a cooling rack upside down, and once it is cool, you can spread some bittersweet chocolate. Of course, you can dip it in directly, but I personally like to have the chocolate on the downside of this amazing cookie. This was day 1 of our advent calendar. The recipe is as usual in the description below. See you tomorrow for day 2.